Hello friends, I am Vaishali Ganesh Akhade from Balaji High School, Hingna Road, Nagpur. We have started the first lesson of Class 8 Subject Science, which is Living World and Classification of Microbes. In the first video of this lesson, we have discussed the classification of living organisms. And now, in this video, we have to discuss the classification of microbes. Classification of microbes is given by Whitaker, and according to Whitaker, microorganisms are classified into prokaryotes and eukaryotes. अब प्रोकैरियोट्स एंड यूकैरियोट्स क्या है ये आप अच्छे से जानते हैं क्योंकि आपने इस लेसन के पहले पार्ट का वीडियो देखा है. प्रोकैरियोट्स आर जनरली बैक्टीरियाज and eukaryotes are further classified into protista, fungi and algae. Microbes are very much small and these microbes are measured into micrometer and nanometer. You have to remember 1 meter is equals to 10 raised to power 6 micrometer while 1 meter is equals to 10 raised to power 9 nanometer. These microbes are so small that we cannot observe them with naked eye. For the observation of microbes, we have to use microscope. Let's understand bacteria. The size of bacteria is 1 micrometer to 10 micrometer. And the characteristics of bacteria are, first is bacteria are unicellular, independent, parasitic organisms. Sometimes many bacteria together form colonies. Bacterial cells is prokaryotic with cell wall, but distinct nucleus or cell organelles are absent. They reproduce by simple binary fission. In favorable condition, bacteria grow vigorously and can double their number in 20 minutes. These are some examples of bacteria. Protozoas. Let's understand protozoas. The size of protozoas are approximately 200 micrometer and the characteristics are protozoans are found in soil, fresh water and seawater. Some are found in the body of other organisms and are pathogenic. These are unicellular organisms with eukaryotic cell. There is great variation in cell structure, organs of locomotion and modes of nutrition among protozoans. These organisms reproduce by simple cell division. For example, amoeba and paramecium. These are some examples, paramecium and entamoeba. Let's understand fungi. The size of fungi is approximately 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. Let's understand the characteristics of fungi. These are found on decaying organic matter and dead bodies of plants and animals. These are eukaryotic organisms. Some are unicellular and others are visible with naked eyes. Third is saprotropic because they absorb their food from decaying organic matter. They reproduce sexually and asexually by cell division or by budding. For example, baker's yeast, candida, mushrooms. These are some examples of fungi. Let's understand algae. Algae you have seen. Algae को हम काई के रूप में जानते हैं. Algae are aquatic. Algae are eukaryotic, unicellular, and autotrophic organisms because algae have chloroplast in their cell. क्लोरोप्लास्ट होने के कारण एल्गीज फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करती है और इसीलिए वह ऑटोट्रोपिक है. Photosynthesis is carried out with the help of chloroplasts present in the cell. Most of them are multicellular and visible with naked eyes. For example, chlorella. Very few species of algae are unicellular. This is the example of chlorella, which we can see around us in rainy season. Viruses. The size of viruses is approximately 10 nanometer to 100 nanometer. And the characteristics of viruses are extremely minute. That is, they are 10 to 100 times smaller than bacteria and can be seen only with electron microscope. They are found in the form of independent particles. Virus is a long molecule of DNA or RNA covered by a protein coat. Viruses survive only in living plant or animal cells and produce their own proteins with the help of host cell and create their numerous replica. Then they destroy the host cell and become free. These free viruses again infect new cells. Viruses causes many diseases to plants and animals. वायरसेस के बारे में साइंटिस्ट में दो मत हैं. कुछ साइंटिस्ट का कहना है कि वायरसेस आर नॉन लिविंग एंड कुछ साइंटिस्ट का कहना है कि वायरसेस आर लिविंग. नॉन लिविंग इसलिए क्योंकि जब तक उन्हें कोई होस्ट सेल नहीं मिलता तब तक वो अपनी कोई भी एक्टिविटीज नहीं दिखाते. बट लिविंग इसलिए क्योंकि जब वो होस्ट सेल मिलता है तब वो एक्टिव होते हैं एंड दे आर कॉज ऑफ मेनी डिसीजेस टू प्लांट्स एज वेल एज एनिमल्स. Thank you student for watching this video. If you like it, share with your friend and subscribe the channel. Thank you.